Here's a full overview of the layout, controls, and functions of your DDJ-200. The Smart DJ controller's layout inherits the club standard style seen throughout the ranges of CDJs, mixers, and controllers. The unit features 2 player sections, one for each deck which you can use to control the tracks on each deck, and the central mixer section, which is used to mix the tracks and affect their volume levels. The mixer section features a crossfader for transitioning between decks, and channel faders for adjusting the volume of each deck in the mix. Each channel also has a color FX knob, which can be used to affect different frequency ranges of your tracks to add creative flair and vary the sound of your sets, and a 3-band EQ. The 3-band equalizer enables you to individually adjust the volume level of the low, mid, and high frequencies of a track. This helps you to mix tracks together smoothly and shape the sound of your DJ sets. You'll also find a Transition FX on-off button. Transition FX offer you a way to creatively and effortlessly blend between tracks. The headphone cue section allows you to monitor each deck, which means you can listen to tracks without hearing them through your speakers. You can monitor each deck independently by pressing the cue button for either channel 1 or 2. You can also hear how your mix is sounding through the master channel by pressing the master button. The DDJ-200 features Bluetooth MIDI, so you can easily connect to WeDJ wirelessly when it's running on a compatible device. Each deck features a jog wheel to adjust the timing of your tracks. You can also use the jog wheels to perform mixing and scratching techniques. The DDJ-200 also features 8 performance pads on each deck, which you can use to control the various pad modes in the WeDJ app. For example, setting and jumping to hot cues or activating effects. To the left of the performance pads are the play, pause, and cue buttons. The cue buttons allow you to set a marker at a point in your track that you want to play from. Each deck has a tempo slider that allows you to easily speed up or slow down a track. There's also a beat sync button for quick and easy beat matching of tracks. Finally, the shift button gives you access to more functions on the DDJ-200. For example, pressing Shift and the Transition FX button will activate and deactivate the phrase sync function in the WeDJ app. When connected to WeDJ on your smartphone, the DDJ-200 offers all the features you need to enjoy a mix.